everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. Look guys, we got a Temu package. So, as you can see, it's not open. We're going to open it together. Alright, so I'm going to turn y'all around. Alright, and let's see what's in this package. Y'all know these how they close them, so I'm just going to cut him open and hope I don't cut anything. I don't think I am, but I'm going to cut him open. I cut my finger right there, y'all. Alright, y'all. So, let's see what we got in the Temu package. Alright, first thing we got are bath bombs. Alright, and this is just says I have bath bombs, but these bath bombs are individually wrapped inside here. And they are orange, violet, lemon, grape, osmanthus, sakura, mint, papaya, rose, kiwi, peach, and lavender. Alright, and I will be putting these into some concepts. Alright, what else we got in here? Alright, now, I picked these pouches up because I just thought they were so cute. And these are the little makeup pouches. Alright, so this one says, and now these three remain, faith, hope, love, but the greatest of these is love. Alright, and it's the makeup bags. Says the same thing on both sides. Alright, this one says, she is clothed with strength and dignity, and the laughs without fear of the future. Okay. This one says, the Lord is my light, is my salvation, who am I afraid of? The Lord is the strength of my life, who am I afraid of? All right, this one says, do not be afraid, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. Rejoice in hope, be patient in tribulation, be constant in prayer. I believe that it's supposed to say constant in prayer, but y'all know it's Temu. Don't come for me. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. I just think these are so pretty, y'all. This is it is the very good quality. It is the heavy canvas. It's not the light plastic canvas. This is the heavy canvas. It says, with God all things are possible. Matthew 19:26. A truly great principle and hard to find and impossible to forget. So this one I think also has a typo on it. I think it's supposed to say a truly great principle is hard to find and impossible to forget. All right, so I got a Cricut, y'all. I can fix it. I promise you I can fix this. It says, until now you have asked nothing in my name. Ask and you will receive, that your joy may be full. All right, so I picked those up. And they come 10 in a pack. Alright, we also have, let's put these back in the bag so they don't get messed up. Alright, y'all. One more. Put it back in there. A couple more things in the bag. Maybe one more thing in the bag. I don't know. We got a couple of more things in the bag. Alright, y'all. So let's see what else we got. One more. Oh, y'all don't want to see this. Y'all really don't want to see this. Glue dots, y'all. I'm a glue dot fool. I got some more glue dots because I need them. All these baskets I gotta do. So that is the Temu haul. That is the Temu haul, y'all. That is got the little prayer makeup bags and the bath bombs. Alright, and I probably have a couple of more orders coming in from Temu, and we'll bust those out together too. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna get off of here. You all have a great night. It's always good to hear from you, see you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. In the meantime, in between time, be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.